Hello everyone, welcome to the AI Fusion NDN channel. Today we're going to explore how to create consistent characters using the Leonardo AI tool, helping you produce stunning images in films. Recently, many of you have asked how to keep characters consistent in your images and videos when using Leonardo AI. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to achieve this. First, we will access the Leonardo AI website and find an appropriate prompt. I've already prepared one for you. A beautiful woman with long black hair, South American, standing by the beach. After entering the prompt, we will adjust the AI settings. You can choose different image modes like 16:9, 1:1, etc., and select stock photo. Choose medium and fast to ensure the images are sharp. If you haven't heard of the Leonardo AI tool yet, I've included a link in the description. You can click it to register and use it for free. Next, we hit the Generate button to create the images. This tool generates images pretty quickly and beautifully, and it's completely free. When using the free version, the tool will generate 4 images by default. As you can see, we now have 4 beautiful images of the South American woman we just created. So how do we keep the character's face consistent when creating new images? To do this, go to the section with the 3 dots, then select Copy Seed. Next, in the Advanced Settings, enable Use Fixed Seed and paste the code you just copied. After that, when you create more images with different prompts, for example, if the initial prompt was a beautiful woman with long black hair, South American, standing by the beach, now you can change it slightly to a beautiful woman with long black hair, South American, riding a bike. Then press Generate and wait a moment for the AI tool to create the image. And here's the result. As you can see, the face is still the same as before. Isn't that amazing? Similarly, you can create the character in different scenarios, such as walking in a park, sitting at work, or drinking coffee. So that's how you create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the AI Fusion NDN channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next videos.